adventure. She's so amazing. I want to shout out to my boss, Amir. I appreciate you so much. Thank you. Everyone who is out here tonight. So yeah, I want to shout out to everyone who is out here tonight. Thank you for honoring my invite. You guys look amazing. Yeah, so I'm going to unveil the car. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so are you ready? Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. So it's a rose gold. I've always wanted a Range Rover Velar. My dad bought me my first car, and I still treasure it as, you know, I don't want even to sell it. It's like my vintage car, and this is my second car. Thank you everyone for supporting me, and yeah, everything was wrapped in Uganda. So it's a Range Rover Velar 2022. Yeah. So you know, here we are. In Uganda, you can get a mark. So shout out to everyone. Let's go.
Oh, it's a Range Rover Velar 2022. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. So there are so many Range Rover Sports and Evoque, but Velar is very rare. Yeah, and there are only 3 in Uganda.
Yes, 3.
Yeah, you can check with URA. Simple. Yeah, do your math. Yeah.
Kulumizane kadi ngataka bakusaleko bigambo.
Bananga banayika nanga musale ekigambo. So nabaga I vaccinated you guys so quick. It's in my name, it's my car. Yeah.
Wagambe unveil abantu nga bebuza, what are you going to unveil? Never against your lover, you're too blessed.
Thank you. I wish this on everyone, you know. You know, everything I have dreamt about it before, and it has come into vision. Yeah.
Talking about unveiling,
yeah, I have my first car. Shout out to my daddy, bought me my first car. So this is my second car. Yeah, and more. Maybe next time it's a G-Wagon. I want a Maybach. Yeah.
Because you're doing things privately but not tourism.
Yeah, I don't do chibi obando za waku wange muteka ku Snapchat tebamulaba. Naye me I work 8 hours on my nights. I work from like 9 p.m. to 6 in the morning. Wednesday, Saturday, Sunday. Ochitegera olumoko wanengo enokola. Ate kyajagala ogamba abawala, they need to understand tino omusajja akuwanyo more respect. Omusajja inaseta akuwanyo more respect nga nawe wekoledde ezizo. Tasobola kunyo. Actually waba akuwa ne sente akuwa so much, you know, but also as an independent girl. Banange girls, be independent, work. Whoever comes into your life will just stop up. Yeah.
Waliwo abagala just beera nga bafuna abagaga nga tebeekolerera.
Ate so omugaga wakusaba nga talina sente asobola okunyoma gwe. Aya.
Atwale twebuuza abantu babiri be tutannalaba, that's the dad and Ricky. Abantu babeebuuza. Ani? Tetunabako ku daddy wo, tetunabako ku Ricky. Abantu bandyebuuziza bali.
No, my dad is coming. He was busy. But Rickman is my ex. What would he be doing here? No, he's my ex. No, simuinako buzibu bambi. Simuinako buzibu naye taninako buzibu naye. No, I can't. Yeah.
Oinamupya tukwitoka shout my baby.
Yeah, but me I was joking. I was joking.
Only single.
I'm not searching.
I single go
I'm not searching. There's a difference between I'm single and searching, and then there's a difference between I'm not searching. Going to be really, really different. Yeah, I'm not searching. I'm okay.
Abantu bakusubiremu because the motoka girese business wagituwa baddeko kusubiramu.
I'm launching my DJ career soon as well. I was in South Africa for like 4 months earlier learning, but everything on its own time. Yeah.
Beyond that, is there anything else that you're going to unveil this year?
You wait and see. I don't like when I posted I work in silence. People didn't understand. It's rare okulaba nga nkola interview. Sagala nnyo okuweerawo neyogerako mukola kino nkola kiri very yeah. So you will see. Yeah.
naye nga abantu baweeyo obubaka because bakwagadde.
Oh, shout out to everyone who is watching. It's your girl Sheila Gashumba. Yeah.
abatakwagala obagamba
buli omuntu waba takwagala abeera ali confused. Already yali akwagala naye takutuukangako oba takumanyi ate baminange mbasaasira because if I was them I would do the same. Yeah.
batulabye olina award yo wawangudde yaki?
Oh, I think it's Pulse Award. I think it's Pulse. Yeah, I think it's Pulse Award, Fashion Influencer of the Year. Yeah. I wasn't there, so they brought it here today.
Okay.
Yeah.
So that's message to the fans.
Shout out to everyone who has been following me, keep following me. Shout out to all the females out there. Keep working hard, respect yourselves, and always pray to God. Shout out to God.